Hello and welcome to this morning yoga flow. No props are necessary, just yourself and some time. As and when you're ready, we'll come through to a seated position and beginning to take a gentle sway and circle. And letting that circle and sway begin to evolve toward more rock and roll from one side to the other. We'll begin to take a twist, letting that left hand go into that right knee. Inhaling, lengthening. Exhale, twist. Right hand beginning to lift with like that side stretch. Right hand coming onto that left thigh. We'll take that twist on the other side. Your left arm beginning to lift. And hands coming into the lap, taking that circle spiral. We'll casually begin to come onto all fours, hands and knees. And as you begin to come onto hands and knees, taking a gentle shift and drift. Tucking our toes, lifting the knees, coming into our downward dog. Bending one knee and then the other. We'll casually begin to bring the weight into that left foot, lifting that right heel. Knee to nose. Straightening that right leg. Taking that right foot between the hands. Gently beginning to drip that left knee down. We'll press and lift. Exhaling, hinge, letting that right shoulder come towards the right knee. And we'll press, taking the arms back up. Left hand beginning to drip down. Beautiful. Begin to release the hands back, tucking the back toe, lifting that left knee. We'll come back through to our three-legged dog. And eventually downward dog. Rippling up onto the balls of the feet, shifting the weight into the hands, unfurling to our plank. And downward dog. Shifting the weight into that right foot, lifting that left heel. Three-legged dog, and then bringing knee in towards the nose, and then extending. Left foot coming between the hands, dripping that right knee down. We'll press, low lunge. Beginning to hinge, left shoulder coming towards that left knee. Inhaling up. Right hand beginning to drip, taking a gentle back bend. And hands coming down. Tucking that back toe, lifting the knee, coming back through to our three-legged. And our downward dog. Coming up onto the balls of the feet, shifting through to your plank. And downward dog. We'll begin to walk, step, or hop the feet to the hands, forward folds. Taking a gentle sway, shifting the weight from one foot to the other. Pressing, we'll come up to standing, taking the arms up. Gentle cactus. Arms beginning to rise, and then down and towards the heart. We'll begin to shift the weight to our right foot, lifting that left heel. Maybe we lift, taking a little bit of a circle. Left foot coming back down, beginning to step back. Now we can stay here, that left foot lifted, heel away from the earth. Or what we might begin to do is begin to shift the weight into that right foot, taking a quad stretch, grabbing the outside or maybe the inside of that left foot. Right arm beginning to rise. We'll begin to come into your dancer, softening that right knee, right hand coming forward. We'll begin to come back up through to standing, arms rising, cactusing. Arms beginning to rise, coming back down and towards the heart. We'll begin to step back with that right foot. Again, heel lifted, we can stay. Maybe we begin to shift the weight back into that left foot, taking a quad stretch, again on the outer, or maybe inner part of the foot. Left arm rising, softening that left knee. And eventually letting that right foot meet the left. Coming up, we'll cactus, opening. Hands beginning to rise, we'll soften and fold. Walking the hands forward as we walk the legs back, downward dog. Rippling through to our plank. Letting the weight rock over to that right side, coming into your side plank. Left hand coming back down, we'll roll over towards the left. Back through our plank, downward dog. Gently releasing the knees. Walking the hands towards the knees themselves, we'll begin to take a toe balance. We can stay right here, hands in contact with the earth or the thighs. Maybe we take the hands behind, opening up the chest. Hands beginning to be released to the earth, knees, untucking the toes. We'll begin to sweep the arms up, right hand grabbing the left. Arm rising, left grabbing the right. We'll begin to release the hands down and towards the heart. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. And thank you for taking this short morning flow with me. And I hope you have an amazing day.